Que poseca. Oh, Sophia in London. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinne Ehirim. If you're new here, I'm a YouTuber based here in Abuja, Nigeria, and welcome to today's vlog. It's going to be an exciting vlog, so keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Today's Saturday and I already had my family friend in the house and she requested for pap Saturday morning. What is Saturday morning without pap and akara? Are you Nigerian if you don't crave for pap and akara every Saturday? And not really be every Saturday, but are you really a Nigerian if you don't want pap and akara on Saturdays? No, check yourself very well. Check your nationality very well. So guys, so she decided for me to make pap for her and I came all prepared. I wore my armor because you know how pap behaves. Pap will fall your hand. Pap will scatter your steez. So I wore my armor and this pap wore double armor. See pap where I prepared for. I prepared with my full chest. Pap was already turning into tea. But I said no. I kept on stirring the living life out of this pap. I said no, you must compose yourself. I stirred and stirred and stirred. And voila, here we are. Because I was ready for this pap. As anywhere you enter, I will enter with you. I stirred and stirred and it became perfect. Because I don't get strength to do pap again. Only God knows I don't get strength to do pap again. I was like, no, this one what I want to do, you must compose. I will conform you to what I want you to look like. And here we are, we have a perfect pap. So I served her, I served the pap, added my honey, added milk, and that was the perfect pap as far as I'm concerned. So I already had akara in the fridge. I had to bring it out, freshly made akara in the fridge. I brought her out, microwaved it. Everything was looking very pink and yummy, and she loved it. So that's it. And we have our yummy pap and akara. So today being Sunday, I and my husband headed to the park to go pick up my mom. Yes, my mom came in today. The excitement was out of this world. My mom has never visited Abuja before and this is her first time. So, I mean, it was a happy day for me. So, I was looking forward to seeing her. She came in through Abia Line. So, we were headed to Abia Line Park at Jabi. And I could not wait. I could not wait. We got to Abia Line Park. Owo. Tie backpack. O ga pali backpack. Tie backpack na. Hello.
I swear.
Mommy.
Yeah. Don't distract me. Yeah, and it's not too big.
We did don't know. My mom came in with a lot. Trust my mom to carry the whole world to you. I learned that from my mom. My mom came in. It hasn't been long. She actually weighed a lot of goodies to myself and my husband. She came again with a lot. When I mean a lot, I wasn't even able to do like a lot of videos like to show you guys what she brought this time. It was a lot. She brought her bag of gari. She brought plantain. She brought kanda, that's momo, for the people that know that as momo. She brought akide. She brought plantain. Did I mention that? She brought ube. She brought that's ube pear. She brought bitter leaf, oha, zeza, nchwa, crayfish, dry fish, snail. Goodness God, this woman brought the whole East down to me. I was so excited. She brought potato. I mean, this woman brought a lot. She brought the red oil. Which one haven't I mentioned? I am yet to mention the goodies. I'm yet to mention all of them, but it was a lot, and I appreciate my mom a lot. And this day, my mom has been disturbing me to follow me to one particular market, that's supermarket that I usually go buy fruits, and we dragged her. And this time around, in fact, she came in, she told me if we'll be going the following day. I'm like, okay, let's go then. So we're headed to Zuba Market, and here we are. We packed corn. Trust my mom. My mom was pricing. They almost pursued us from that market. My mom was pricing like East woman. If you know East women, you know OG moms. My mother was pricing. Hey, priced the corn guy. The corn guy not even know when gather corn pack give us. We went to the orange guy. My mom priced the one where I priced Aboki pack bag. You know, once I give us again, I mean beg Aboki. I had to beg the malam. The malam sold to us. We went to the watermelon guy. My mom did the same thing. I told my mom, just hold it there, beg. Let us just get all these things and leave here. And guys, keep watching, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Continue watching, please. Watch to the end. Do this for my mom and I. I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Keep a second. London. Oh God. Mpapa zene. So here, just separate it. Not fresh. Not fresh. Take away pack, man.